You were creating an image, you added a text layer, you write anything else, whatever you want, and then you selected an area of text and then visit the text color to change the text color, and the game crashed. Well, this is a really serious issue, and this is exactly what we're going to fix in today's video. So let's get started. So the very first thing you will need to do is you will need to just open up the terminal, whatever terminal you are using, and then you must open a game from the terminal, and then you must create a new image and then add a text to the image and write anything else. And at this point you must see that there's nothing. Okay, there's no error. There's a simple error, game wire read error. You should just ignore that. But if you select the layer of text and then you just go and change the text color, now you can see it's done. But this will be only if you are lucky. Okay, this will be only if you are lucky. Many of the times this will not change. Okay, the text color will just not change, just like this. Now I change the text color and it crashed, and the reason here is because you can just see here's a bad window, something like that. So for fixing this thing, there's a very simple thing you can do. Then you can just go ahead and clear the screen, and you can just say GIMP -sync, and then when you will launch the GIMP, now if I just full screen the window and if I just create a new image, and if I add a new text to the image, looks like this. Now I'm going to select particular text and I'm going to just change the text color to anything I want. Okay, anything, and this will be fixed. Now your GIMP is no longer going to crash. You can just see everything is just working fine. Whatever you want, whatever color you want to add, you can just definitely select and add the color without worrying for anything else. And that's exactly how you can fix this error. This is a really common error and really simple to fix. The only way you want to do, you just want to launch the GIMP from the terminal and with the flag sync, and when you will do that, you will no longer get the text error. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I want to just ask you for subscribing to the channel because I use this art, by the way.